Bro, what happened now? Why now? Wait now. Why they do like? They do like this now? Wait now, chairman. Why they do like this now? Why now? Why now? You go do like
I pay am money to work my car. Parts wey no cost for market. This car is very expensive for me.
Why you go do like this now? I don't like this kind of way you dey do. I know.
See. Me, I don't like this kind of thing, no. Me, I don't mind saying that your house are there like this. I don't mind.
I
go deck you. I don't mind.
Chairman.
You see motor what to work. You know how I'm gonna bring this guy. I may control this motor. Not be since yesterday they run around for. Just yesterday.
Are you gonna charge me for something of 20K? For something of 20K? Charge me for that.
What up, guys? It's your boy nhastyjee, aka TikTok celebrity hype man, popular for this area if you ask. Okay, guys, last time I bought iPhone 14 Pro Max for my mechanic guy, so you can see him there. He came all the way to come and carry the car that Davis scatter, so he want to go and repair it. So I bought him iPhone 14 Pro Max. So now I want to prank him. And break the iPhone 14 to see his reaction. But nevertheless, I want to change his phone to 15 Pro Max. You can see it's not a direct use. I just bought Philly and this in UK. You can see this 14. So guys, I'm going to go and give it to him, but I want to see his reaction by breaking the one he's using. So guys, stay on this video. So guys, let's go and prank him. If you're watching this video, stay jiggy and please don't forget, I'm begging you with the name of God, please share this video. iPhone 14 is worth 2 million naira, 2 million plus, 2 million naira plus. That is worth of iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max. So please, if you're watching this video, I'm begging you, please share. Okay guys, let's go.
Good morning.
So now I want to carry the car.
No, just told the motor come out.
Let me talk to my best man.
Bro, what happened now? Why? Wait now. Why they do like? They do like this now?
Wait now, chairman.
Why they do like this now? Why now? Why now? Why now? Why you go do like this now? Plenty things is inside the phone now. Why they do like this now?
Chairman.
Why you go do like this now? Why now? No una see now. Why you go do like this now? Why?
Which one come?
Nah, me I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like them. See now. See now. Why you go do like
I pay am money to work my car. Parts wey no cost for market. This car is very expensive for me.
Why you go do like this now? I don't like this kind of way you dey do. I don't like am at all.
Which one come be 14 Pro Max? 14 Pro Max are waiting.
I go do the work free for you. I go do it. Charge me.
I purposely call am. I purposely scatter am because I call am say make you come here come carry this car so that I go scatter him phone. How you gonna charge me for something of 20K? For something of 20K? Charge me for that, you know.
If come mechanic come house, carry the guy from scatter. Based on say the guy dey charge am too much.
Let's go scatter him phone, Nana.
40 Pro Max like this.
Chairman. All the money wey don collect from me, where they use part of 10,000, you go tell me say na 50,000.
Ma do work.
Now 1.something million dey there.
Ma do work free for you.
1.something. You want wey don collect from me never reach 1.something.
You know what's inside the phone where you know how many customers why don't lose life.
You know what's inside the phone where it's scattered.
If you invest,
wait, Nasty. You don't say this man a work.
now work man.
How you want take get in contact? You don't say this
apart from that, this man a work man. He charge you high, he not charge you high.
Now
No be do work free, no be do work.
Okay, now wait, I was calling the guy phone now. How you want make If
this man dey charge you too much, why you no change person wey dey pay money? Where you dey charge for me, you can go buy another.
like this kind of way you dey do. Everything everybody
you know say this mechanic na the only mechanic wey dey give you attention well. So
when you call me, I go pull out. See what you can do my phone. Phone drop. For this kind December like this. For this kind December like this.
You still dey remove am, make you dey pay now. You still dey remove am, make dey. If you say you call this guy, na him no come here, na he go be like say the guy wicked.
One fine way come out from here.
See, me I know like this kind thing, no. Me I know mind saying that your house are there like this. I know mine.
Ingo buy your
phone. I go deck you. I know mine.
Chema.
You see motor to work. You know how I want to bring this guy. I make control this motor. Not be since yesterday they run around for. Just since yesterday. You call me. At the bed you call me. I didn't wait here.
No be even say that small phone. See am na 14 Pro Max.
Chairman.
Yeah.
I tell you say, part of 10,000, the money where you don't collect for me since I don't dey work out for your hand.
How much did they sell part for market?
I don't know.
So you don't know when I give you price, waiting come be that one.
I carry the car, go another mechanic, go tell them, they tell me say the thing, they no reach.
See me I know you know say right from time me I know they fear you. I go if I deck you here, you go bring phone come here.
So come here, you go bring phone come.
Me I know they for that one.
Now you waiting for me.
I know they for that one waiting. I know like this kind of thing. I know my saying that your heart are there. I know my saying that your heart are there.
Wait first, so all of una go there, the man go dey drag me like this.
What do you want?
This man in particular, anytime we I won't walk my car. Part of 10,000, you gonna tell me say na 50K.
Now we go do it for you.
Even the tell you 50,000. Why you gonna give us the money? Na 50K. Na 50K.
Why you dey give us the money? I go do it free for you. See the kind of way you can do my phone like this.
Now they work your car.
Now they work my car. They overcharge me.
But they do and work for you.
They do and work. They overcharge you.
But they do and work for you.
You get any way you give am. If they cheat me, then you go another place. Very simple. Yeah, the money. Why you go scatter your phone?
My annoyance say, I think they charge you. You know they pay.
Why you need to go buy that money where you don't use? Where you don't use, you don't collect for me. Use and go buy another food. Use and go buy another food.
Just when you don't make the man go dey do you, I go enter you. Me I go dey for those kind of things where you dey talk. I go do work free for you. What do you mean, sir?
Why this thing
you know like
anywhere where your motor spoil, you go call me, I go come. Even if it's at midnight, you go call me, I go call. Now, what's not why? Anywhere, you go call me, I go do out. Anywhere, your car dey break for road, you go call me midnight, you go call me, I go rush come out. True. Why you go like this? Not be once, not be twice, and they do work for you. Go break. No, I don't support you for this one. I don't support for this one.
My problem is say you dey overcharge me.
But you go use your hand now you go use your hand to do work.
No see what I break your problem. If you don't work out for your hand, you leave and go another place. If you give you price for market, you use your hand go buy. If I dey talk, you go be like that.
People why they use this money.
I don't finish case.
German, why go get my break person?
Go use the money. If you told the car now they go your.
That's this man. Me no go like this nonsense. Come on, consider the man now. You dey I consider if you no one consider am.
Yeah, chairman, sorry.
That's what I want job. Why you want to do like this? See my phone.
Sorry, I break.
I know they for that kind of thing. I know they for that kind of thing. I know they for that kind of thing.
Sorry, I break your phone by mistake. Sorry.
You go tell me something by mistake. I give you phone. I'm not my pocket to give you.
You mistakenly fall for my hand now.
You go tell me say.
Now use your hand do it like.
Now use your hand and scatter phone.
I be want check and wear now.
Guy, you know they go anywhere. Guy, you know they go anywhere.
I don't go anywhere. If all I make you give you phone, which kind thing be that one?
Today will be Monday like this. Today will be Monday like this.
For that matter.
Just imagine.
If you be workman, you get opportunity to be person as your this. You know go fit be the person.
How again? I want to get the money.
Side go
go scatter person phone like this.
No tell me that kind of thing. No tell me that kind of thing. No tell me that kind of thing.
See person wey come work, see the stress you don put am go through.
No tell me that kind of thing.
How you go feel?
You dey tell me sorry. Na so
I go not feel bad, but chairman.
Oga, me I no dey for that kind of thing. I no dey for that kind of thing wey you talk.
See condition wey don make the man now feel bad.
See this morning now. You see yesterday. Now they run around for you.
How you wan take contact?
Oga, no need for you to talk too much. No need for you to talk too much. He don't do this thing too much. Carry car go work. If you work in car finish. Back and there, if you no buy your phone, no give up.
Oga, me I no dey leave this man.
You don't even dey carry the car. I don't call on now mechanic. You say when me carry
I no dey come on here.
Wetin go motivate you break your phone?
I no dey car finish. Go for another mechanic.
Oga, me I no dey go anywhere.
Once you open gate for America and stolen van.
See here.
Touch that gate.
Wetin I go do you when you no dey like am?
Better know yourself. I think say go.
Me I know where dey. Oga, you no dey go anywhere.
I go just say I say sorry, mechanic dey charge you. Now you get my carry phone scatter. I say no vex that.
If person scatter your phone, tell you sorry, you go.
No dey go anywhere.
Don't even say that mistake. No, I dey up here. See,
I don't know if I give you phone. I carry phone give you. I do bad thing give you my phone. Oga, you no dey go anywhere.
Allow me now.
That's why you go.
tell am something. If
I never tell am sorry. Sorry. Make una see 14 Pro Max. Wetin?
Just imagine.
Don't change 14 Pro Max to see.
Okay, you don't go anywhere.
Allow me now.
you break this one wey hold. You break your phone.
Collect your own phone.
Chama, wait first. See. Maybe to fight and go bring this
You want
phone.
scatter the phone. Give am your
Yeah,
own.
bring me one phone. When you get 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max, I go bring her out.
May they bring am.
He go bring her out, give it because you know.
This man dey go work. This
Tell
man
him
dey
when he
go
go
work.
pay me phone. Tell him when he go pay me phone.
The one wey don collect for me.
Why you gonna talk like that? Why you gonna talk like that?
14 Pro Max.
Why they do like this now? Since yesterday.
When you go wake up early,
Na 15 Pro Max be this. Online 14 Pro Max is just dey buga. Take 15. Take 15 na. Boy, you go stop.
Me I no trust am. Me I no trust am again.
Open na.
Omo. Which kind of expensive?
Wait, sir. Jesus. 14 Pro Max na ain't go break person phone. Now they give am 15. Can't break my 13, so you give me.
Come on body. Come on body.
So now 14 they cry like this.
Omo, no be that.
Wait for 30 million.
I want to get overcharge me.
I'm going to overcharge you now. They call me midnight. I come anytime 00 hour.
But wait, this for
I go do everything no good.
if you carry the phone, dash my phone. Wait first, so that to scatter the phone. Wait first, so if them be giving more time for beat me.
See, okay, go for you. If
Daddy, I want to find me for repair. If you repair this phone, man, feel this for next month. Okay, see.
last.
Hold on. Apart from this, mechanic business way they do, I fit show you other legit way if you take make money. Apart from this repairing of cars.
Which other legit way where you do when no be prank where you do?
Make money.
Which other legit way?
Legit way, I know. So guys, I want to show you. It's called Angel Lucky. They are the best gaming platform. Share they get Angel Lucky. They are the best gaming platform where you can make money from. I make money from there. I make up to 1 million naira a day on this app. So you can see my balance.
No wonder I made the
This 196,000. Just watch. I'm going to use this 196,000 naira and play game. Check out. So this 190. Let me just use 190,000. I'm going to click OK, then click bet. Just what you need to do is to click one of these boxes. If you click one of these boxes and the thing open, then you will see. Cash out.
No, that one in the win. I don't watch it. I don't make it. I don't make it.
So apart from this one, you can still use this one to make your money. So enjoy yourself and congratulations to your new 14 Pro Max.
Send me that link. Don't send me
The link in the comment section. In case you want race, I just go to the comment section and read this.
So we now we still gonna come. Wait there, I know we still give us the link too. Send us
Guys, links up for the.
drop the link here. Wait.
Which one come here? You go do Mazi.
You don't do your video finish. Don't bring phone finish.
How we go do my